Good morning, guys. It's been a little while since I have uploaded a YouTube video, and basically Buds and I got home from our holiday, which I still have a vlog to upload from that. And now it's like, what, 3 months later? But currently I'm in the office, and that's a big balloon garland that we're installing today. These ones are old ones, but I thought I would film a bit of like what I'm doing. So it's Saturday morning here in Australia, and we have a heap of balloon deliveries to do. I got them in boxes up on the shelf up here, but I'm just going to set a time lapse up, and yeah, let's get into it. We have a big day today, just a lot of stuff to get done by certain time frames. Yeah, let's get into it. Show you some of the deliveries we had today. I'm going to flip this around and show you. So this is a big column thing that we have. Oh, it's not actually that big, but it's got a big confetti balloon on top, and then a few bunches, and then some more bunches, and then a get well soon balloon bunch that's going to the hospital. And then we've got all of these ones that we're still inflating, so I'll come back and do them. And I've also got to make up all the confetti balloons, so I'll do that. And then this is a garland that we're installing today. Doesn't look that great here. Have a look at this. This is supposed to be a golden retriever. That is not a golden retriever. All right, I'm going to do the cards, and then I'm going to go do these deliveries. Okay, I'm back. I went and did the deliveries. We had 4 different ones, and now I'm back, and I'm going to finish off doing these bunches. So I'm going to chuck another time lapse on, and we'll do that, and then I'm going to deliver this one and do the garland install together. I'm going to wait for Buds, my partner, my fiance, to finish. He's playing golf at the moment. He's playing a golf comp, and he should be finished at like 11:30, 12ish, so he's going to come with me. I could probably do it myself, but it is a little bit windy today, and I know that install for that garland is outside, so I don't really want to do it myself. I have this horrible fear that I'll do an install one day and I'll let go of the garland accidentally and it'll fly, and it will just go. Like, it would just, that whole thing would just go. So I'm going to wait for Buds, and then we'll go and do the delivery together. But yeah, here's a time lapse of me making up the rest of these bunches. Okay, the balloons are all done. I'll bring them back in here so you can see. But this is like a custom bunch that we do. So now I'm going to set up another time lapse, and I'm going to bunch them all. So there's 6 bunches of 9. You'll see, oh my god, my nose is so itchy. You'll see from when we do it, we do 3 tiers of 3. Let's get started. The best part about my office is we have like an open staircase. So I don't know if you can see this, but I can just sort of drop our balloon bunches down there, and then it goes downstairs. So then it saves me having to like walk up and down all the time. I just chuck them down, and then I can grab them. Same with garlands, being able to just chuck the garlands down there makes it so much easier. So we have to get all of those 6 bunches plus this big garland. This is like 3.5 meters, plus a bag of spare balloons into the van, and fingers crossed it'll happen. So when we go to a balloon install, I'll usually take a spare bag filled with balloons. So this one's just a few different sizes. It just makes it easier on site instead of having to inflate everything. So my issue now is trying to fit everything in the van. So we will see. I'm also going to have to stop at our storage unit. So we have a storage unit close by because we don't have enough space here to store all of our structures. So I'm going to stop there to grab the base of the structure we need. And then yeah, let's go. everything is packed in. So we've got the big garland folded on itself. Then we've got the 6 bunches because they're a separate one. Spare balloons, mesh structure, bag of all that stuff. Every install we do, we take a bag of stuff with us, so that's all there. And now we can go deliver. I'm now going to head to our storage unit, which is just around the corner, and I'm going to pick up the base for the mesh structure because we're moving stuff there slowly and that got moved the other day. So I'll pick that up, and then I think I'm actually going to go pick buds up from golf. It's not too far away and it's kind of near the highway where we need to go. So I'm going to go do that. We're going to go do this install, then do the drop off, and then we might go back to the place where we're doing the install and have lunch. It's really nice there. So I think that's what we'll do, and I'll bring you along. I don't know where to look because I'm filming on my phone, whereas I usually film on my camera and there's a thing up here, but I think I have to look. Yeah. Okay, bye. I absolutely love this install. It was absolutely beautiful and the customer was super happy. I'm going to show you a few other installs we've done recently. There's this blue and black one, and we also got asked to do a huge install for a local Starbucks store that was opening. The possibilities with a balloon business are endless. Like, you can work for all different, from small little like kids' birthdays all the way up until huge corporations. If you're wanting to learn how to make balloon garlands, definitely check out my other videos. I've got heaps of other videos on how I started my business. But if you would like some help, I have 2 different options for you. Firstly, I have a balloon garland business course. That course teaches you absolutely everything you need to know to start a profitable balloon business, from how to make the garlands to how to market your business, the programs that I use, and heaps more. I'll add the links in the description below. But I'm also bringing out a very basic balloon garland course. Maybe you just want to learn how to make balloon garlands and figure out the rest on your own, and that's completely fine. The waitlist for that I will also put in the description below. That will be coming out very soon. Make sure you're on the waitlist because that's where you'll get the greatest discount. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.